a member of staff pounding dough.
That's not like shit. I do it because I love my family. And I want to provide for them. The best way I know how.
Do you think they get kill yourself?